Antenna review and installation coming your way right now. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the AntennaX 7-inch OEM replacement antenna. They did send me this product review along with this sweet shirt, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in finding out more about this and finding the right antenna for your car, be sure to use the link in my video description below. Any purchase made through that link helps support my channel at no additional cost to you. Now let's go back to the antenna. You can see its nice retail packaging. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Here's the 7-inch antenna out of its retail packaging. Looks really nice, has a great black finish to it. You can see the threaded tip on the top as well. So it's going to be really easy to install this. You're going to twist off your old antenna and twist on the new antenna. Now let's go ahead, let's get this installed. So before we install the antenna, I have an AM radio station that we don't really get. So I wanted to show you guys when we install this antenna, kind of have a baseline station here of what the current antenna does and what the new antenna will do in regards to signal strength and signal loss. So you can hear it right here. Really fuzzy and mumbled. Can't really understand everybody, and there's a lot of feedback. And then now I'll show you guys, let's go ahead, let's benchmark a radio station that works as well. This one will be on FM. We have 90.9 right here. Works just fine. So now let's go ahead, let's get that antenna installed. So there's the current antenna that we're going to replace on this 2005 Chrysler Crossfire. The first step you need to do is go ahead and twist off the old antenna to get ready to twist on the new antenna. Now you'll take the 7-inch antenna and just gently thread it into place. Be careful not to over tighten it or leave it too loose. But look at that nice flush finish right there. Everything fits great. Now we're ready to try it out. The 7-inch AntennaX antenna is currently installed in this 2005 Chrysler Crossfire. First up, let's go back to 1420 AM. That was the fringe station that we weren't really getting good signal strength, and let's give it a listen. I'd say it sounds very similar to the original antenna. Now let's go over to FM for a station we know that we get in the area. So 90.9 sounds the same. It sounds great. Everything's coming in just fine. Now let's go ahead, let's see if scan still works.
The calming sound of a fountain echoes between two laboratories on the sea.
Once again, that's 513-777-797.
So scan works as well. Everything with the radio works great, just like the original antenna. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, if you're interested in that product, the link to it will be in my video description below. Also, search my channel for some other great AntennaX unboxing and review videos of the products that you see here. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily. Don't want you guys to miss anything. Give us a follow on social media as well. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Follow us on Twitch and join our Discord server. Thank you guys again for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.